Following is an overview of how to fill out the Processing Acknowledgement Form, or PAF, for national change of address being performed using your data. Prior to Postmark processing your data through national change of address, we must have your permission in writing via the PAF. The top section of the form is for you to fill out. You will start with your company name, company address, city, state, and zip. This is followed by your phone number, email, and the NAICS. The NAICS is a 6-digit classification number similar to the SIC classification. If you do not know your NAICS, you can go to www.naics.com and click on Find Your NAICS for free. From here, you can search your industry type. Continuing on the form, the next 2 lines are filled in only if applicable and are the parent company name or the doing business as or DBA company name. Finally, you will fill in your name, title, then sign and date the form. This is all you need to fill out on the form. Once complete, you'll need to return it to Postmark either via fax or email. The next 2 sections, the licensee and broker agent, require no action on your part. The licensee is a software vendor and the broker agent is Postmark. The final 3 pages of the form are for you to keep on file. These pages provide further explanation of NCOA, how data is processed, and how to interpret return codes once data is provided back. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us at Postmark Incorporated. Thank you.